back, everybody. Dr. Schumacher with Campbell Chiropractic. We have a special guest in today. We have Shakira. Shakira was in a recent vehicle accident 1 month ago. Been coming in, getting some treatment, been having a lot of neck pain. Tell us a little bit about what you were feeling after the accident.
After the accident, I was experimenting a lot of neck pains, and it would be sore every time I move around.
Movements. And the headaches too.
Correct. I started getting frequent headaches, and then I started having back every time I sat down for a period of time.
Right.
It would start hurting me.
Yeah. So, you've been in, I think this is your 5th or 6th visit now, over a couple weeks. Just went through the holidays, been, at home doing different things. That's caused a little bit more pain, haven't been coming in as frequent with Christmas and New Year's, but with the treatment that you've been having, that frequency has gone down a lot. We've kind of noticed with the muscles and the muscle tone in her neck and low back, kind of it died down. We've been doing a lot of therapies. We've been doing a lot of adjusting, a little bit of muscle work here and there, and then our next step forward will be some rehab exercises, getting that neck and low back stronger. But with what we're doing, we're seeing great results so far. I think she's been satisfied.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to continue treating today. We're going to adjust. We'll probably do a little bit of muscle work on that neck, and then we'll see how we do from there. Sound good?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Just going to stretch these upper muscles like that. Feel good stretch there?
Yes.
So what we're doing here is flexion distraction. We're trying to get some movement in that lumbar spine. Kind of get things moving before we get in there and really start adjusting with the sacroiliac joints in that lumbar spine. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to do the same thing, but I'm going to put some motion into it. We're going to work these muscles a little bit. All right, so we adjusted Shakira in the low back and the neck area. With the low back, what we did was a little something different today with the flexion distraction. I actually went up into those paraspinal muscles with my thumb, added some pressure in some of those more taut areas, some of those tender areas, and just kind of worked that muscle out before we really started adjusting in that area. So what we're going to do now is come back up into that neck area, and we're going to do some muscle work in there. So we're going to do some pretty cool stretches that will kind of eliminate some of that muscle tightness down into that neck and shoulder area in the upper trapezius. And we'll also kind of do some stuff back into these suboccipital muscles that have been kind of tight and causing a little bit of her headaches. But yeah, just tell them what you just told me about coming in and getting adjusted. What you were just saying, how you were feeling, kind of that instant relief right after, correct?
Correct. I was having constant headaches and a lot of neck pains, and my last appointment that I came, we did something different, and since then I feel like much better, and
Yeah, we've been working in those muscles a lot, especially right in the suboccipital region. We're going to do a little bit of that today, but we started incorporating that in our last visit, and that's really made a difference. So let's go ahead, let's get started with a little bit of that, and then we'll get you out of here.
Yes, sir.
Sound good? All right, so same thing we're going to do is I'm going to push down on this shoulder. We're going to lean that head away. When I say resist, you're bringing this shoulder up and that ear to that shoulder. Okay? So go ahead. Relax. Now resist. Good. And relax. Just breathe. Again. And relax. And last one. That shoulder. Here we go. And relax. Good. Flip your hair around here. Same thing on this side. Just go ahead, just breathe, relax for me. And resist. Bring that shoulder up. Good. And relax. Again. And relax. And last one. And relax. Good. A little tender.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that's all we're going to do with Shakira today. She'll be back next week to finish her visits up, and hopefully she'll, get some of that relief over the weekend. We did a lot of muscle work today, so hopefully that kind of helps you sustain over the weekend. But I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you go check out my Instagram and my Facebook for more adjusting videos just like this and more information about how we can help locate a healthier you. So Shakira, we appreciate you coming in, and we appreciate you guys watching. Take care. Awesome.